Good morning, baby OPOS stars. Hello, OPOS stars. We'll be doing the Mirchi ka Salan. I'll start with making the spice paste. Couple of dry red chilies, 2 tablespoons of peanuts, 1 tablespoon of sesame, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder and some coconut. A couple of tablespoons of coconut to bring it all together and bind them up. That's it. The spice paste is ready. We just blend it, start stuffing it. There you go. Nice and dry. That was done. So remove this and start the stuffing process. You can stuff this into any chili you like. The bigger, the better. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the regular chilies. So I'm using the green chilies, but I'm going to de-seed them. Just slit them open and de-seed them as much as possible to reduce the heat. Just make a pocket on one side, and you can, if you have sensitive fingers, you can use the back of a spoon to de-seed. The heat of a chili is mostly in its seeds, so by de-seeding you will greatly reduce the heat. So the stuffing and layering should take us close to around 5 minutes or so. Cooking should take us another 5 minutes. So this should be a 10 to 12 minute recipe from scratch. Take your time, don't rush, and don't accidentally touch your eyes after de-seeding the chilies. Nice fat chilies are ideal for this recipe. Ensure that you cut a pocket and don't cut it through. That is it. Now let me commence the stuffing. Before that, I'll start with the layering. 2 tablespoons of oil. And whole tomatoes, small tomatoes, just layered whole. Some onion. This will form the base sauce for the salan. Coarsely chop the onions. You don't need to chop them really fine. I goofed up. Okay, this is better. Add this as one layer. Give some space in the middle for the chilies to sit. And stuff the chilies with the spice powder. Stuff in as much spice powder as possible into the chili. and place it so that the spices don't touch the bottom. I was hoping to complete this in 5 minutes. Look like it's going to take a couple of more minutes. It will be easier with bigger and fatter chilies. Unfortunately, getting them was not possible during the lockdown. You can add any spice mix you like. This is commonly used in Hyderabad, the mixture of peanuts, coconuts and sesame seeds. But feel free to use any spice mix you like. All of them work well. This is just a theme. You can interpret this theme with whatever ingredients you like. This is a homework given by the mods, so I have no option but to do this. Okay, I think our stuffing is all used up. Thank God there is some more so I can complete this. It's okay if a few of them do not touch the bottom. The ones which do get a nice roasted effect. The ones which don't miss that. That's it. Our layering is done. Close and cook on high for 3 or 4 whistles. Cooking time should be around 5 to 6 minutes maximum. Let me get ready for the plating. Let me clean this up and start the plating. You can either blend the sauce or just mash it all up. This should give us around 350 to 450 grams of gravy. 1 to 1.5 restaurant sized portions. I'm getting a smell of chilies getting roasted. First whistle is about to come. That's one. I let it go for 2 more whistles. About 2. 3 and maybe 1 more because I don't smell anything burning. Switch off, release the pressure. Remove the chilies carefully. See, there is some roasting. That's what we wanted. Let me just show you. Look at this. This is what we wanted by layering them at the bottom. And the onions are caramelized, the ones at the bottom. And now you can just blend the whole thing or mash it up. The roasted tomatoes, caramelized onions will all get nicely mashed up. Remember, there is no salt or chili powder in this. The spicing comes only from the stuffed chilies. So if you want to add some flavor, you can mix in a bit of salt and a bit of chili powder. Just mash up well into a nice thick and rich gravy. And let the chilies soak in that gravy for 5 to 10 minutes. If you see any black bits, you can just remove them. There will be a very few of them, but do not include the black bits in your gravy. So this is a 15-minute recipe. I underestimated the time to be 10 minutes. It's taken 5 minutes more. Pour the gravy over this. Mix it all up. Let the chilies seep in this gravy. And that is your Mirchi ka Salan. Done and dusted in 15 minutes from scratch. Thank you very much.